Whoa. Manje ke Stella discipline. High discipline. High discipline. High moral. High discipline. Listen. Emma. Yeah. M. Wangala ndaba.
It's a Greater Benoni.
Greater Benoni. Much.
The first thing.
First thing ukuthi amaphoyisa ewethu bagijimela phambili ba-engage nama foreigners and they must start ukundlula they go and engage ba-engage nabo futhi back ba-collect asazi ukuthi sathi yi-breakfast or lunch mara yona leyo bayi-collectile and then second one sine-van esindlulela laphiyani basidisrespecta siyabacela ukuthi bayehlisa ispeed umuntu wakhona nje hawu yazini kula isisha khona
wamba ngejet silver lo mfana wamba ngejet silver
it's a mad car
siyamazi ngisho
it's a mad car usidelelile kakhulu
usidelelile mfana
ivika khona besothi usibonile yena nje simshaya ube right niyazi imisebenzi and then ke kahle bukuyilezo ke but to add on this list ngiyacabanga ukuthi kune ebavele ngayo ama comrade lana bathi ba concern bacela ukuthi police station ayibe yethu be picking ama foreigners
magcwele safune moto
now I think we're not going to argue.
Yes
wakala no?
Yes
you know Tina, we follow only the law, no?
Yes
we don't deal with emotions.
Yes
my feelings are out of this thing.
Yes
we only deal with the law. We cannot close the shops. First and foremost.
Okay.
We're not going to close any shops. We don't have authority to close the shops. It will be against the law.
Yes.
Nangagini, you should know what is right. So don't ask things from us. But the interference by a policeman who seemed to be disrespectful, we can't tolerate those things. We can't provoke the marchers also. The marchers, wrong. You know them. And then in Tabama Spaza shop, I want you guys to do this. If you see them taking money, it's better if you have. I always say this. If you have a picture, we can't accuse a person because there's hatred, there's all that. You can't just hate a person and say, you must have at least something. But in Bonga, Uguti, Agbanga, incident of violence or any property destruction. So, you can't have them behaving all the time. But where we see things that are not right, yes. And then we respect first and foremost the reason why you are protesting. It's in the law to protest. The only thing in the law is violence and damage to property. No misbehavior. It's not in the law. But in video for the marshals, some marshals create a bigger problem out of a smaller problem. Nobody died, so we must behave well, send the show to nobody gets injured. Thank you very much, and I hope behave in our Can't do that. That's exactly what I was telling you. We can't do that. No, we can't do that. I told you we can't do that.
Yeah, Kenneth. There's another incident. I think Mr. Upa left it out. while we were marching ngale kuze sathi masidlula kwelinye isonto sathola ukuthi no kunabantu abangana undocumented lapho so besicela ukuthi no amaphoyisa sengathi bewazosiza ukuthi no abathathe azokhona ukuthi averify ngisho nithe akumelanga thina silo so sibone bona sengathi bafuna ukuthi no siyekele everything siphume lapha yana kulelo
isonto lelo libizwane likuphi
It's a full gospel something.
Yeah, full gospel.
Una number
Jackie,
let's rather talk. And then Skone, where we have authority to do something, we will have. It's illegal to have a person on a paper. If you show us a person, but which is not actually what we asking you to do, but if you know, if you know, Mamelan, if you know of people that are undocumented either in a church or somewhere, the best thing is to report and see what we do instead of you going and doing stuff. I'm really happy that you're raising that up. All right, but so cool, Malika.
After
I'm very happy.